So my question is, who got the right to declare a person as holy, and what is the definition of a holy person?
Yeah. Who has the authority
Yeah.
to describe himself as holy?
Any other person.
Any other person.
Declare him holy.
And what are the criteria?
No one has an authority to do so. The Holy Quran says, وَلَا تُزَكُّوا أَنفُسَكُمْ هُوَ أَعْلَمُ بِمَنِ اتَّقَى. Do not declare about any other people, among yourselves, I mean, that you are holy. Only Allah knows who is holy. That's right. So one should not talk of anybody's holiness at all. That is why when they address me as non-Muslims who meet me, Your Holiness, I don't like it. They should address me just as such. But Ahmadis have been saying, using the words Hazrat Awdas about Hazrat Khalifa Musisani as well, only it's an expression that we think you are, but their word is not authority. You understand? In that, anyone can say, I think, I feel you are holy in the sight of Allah, and may you be holy in the sight of Allah. But his verdict will not be a binding verdict on any other person.